Hey guys, welcome back to another video of DeFi passive income. So today we are going to take a look over Wizardly, which is a big bean fork, and it is on the Cronos network. So before moving further, if you enjoy the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I try to inform you guys about different crypto projects and I want you to be a part of my crypto investing journey. So this is their website. They are going with the Cronos network theme with the wizards and all that stuff. So if we look over to their contract, currently there are 1.6 million CRO tokens in the contract and your daily returns are 8% with a total fee of 5%. Developer fees is 3% and marketing fee is 2%. And this contract is still new with 2129 users. So we are really in the early stages of this protocol. So guys, how this protocol works, you basically come in here, you commit your CRO tokens. Suppose if you want to commit 1000 CRO tokens, you will type in 1000 and you will click on absolve, which will take your initial deposit of 1000 CRO tokens and it will convert these tokens into wizards. And this 1000 crore tokens is our sunk cost, which means you cannot withdraw it as it is. The only way you can claim your initial investment back is through the daily rewards, which we will come to in a second. So these 1000 crore tokens will be converted into wizards. The higher number of wizards, the more runes that they will generate, and the higher number of runes that you will generate per day will generate more rewards per day in the form of crore tokens. So these protocols sustain themselves by following a strategy called 6:1 strategy, where you compound 6 days a week and take your rewards on the 7th day. So suppose if you are depositing 1000 crore tokens on Monday, you will come on Tuesday, you will click on the compound button and you will keep doing this until Saturday. But on Sunday you will come at the same time and you will click on the claim button. And after clicking the claim button, you will take the rewards generated for that day into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet. So this is how these protocols sustain themselves and everyone follows this 6:1 strategy. So if you start to take your rewards daily, then your daily returns would decrease. It can go up to like 3% or 5% per day and it will absolutely ruin your daily returns over a longer period of time. So if you are committing in these types of project, you should stick to 6:1 strategy. So going over to their white paper, we can see that they are on Cronos network and these are their social media handles. Going over to their mechanics and strategy, this is what I've just told you. Absolve your CRO tokens, that is deposit. Infuse daily for 6 days. It means you will compound 6 days a week. On day 7, allow the magic to enlighten you, which means you will claim on the 7th day. So I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Please go through them yourself and do your own research. So moving over to Discord, there are currently 1800 members. So if you want to join, I'll leave the link down in the description below. So now moving over to the spreadsheet, let's see how much we can earn in a month. So suppose our initial deposit is $1000 worth of CRO tokens and our daily ROI is 8%. So 0.08. Compound tax is 0. Deposit tax is also 0. And recompound period is 24 hours, which means we will compound it every day. So after depositing $1000 worth of CRO tokens on day 1, our daily ROI would be $80. So the $80 that we have earned on Monday will be deposited back into our total initial investment, and our total investment on Tuesday would be $1080. And on Tuesday we will get $86.40 worth of CRO tokens. We will again compound that on Wednesday, and on Wednesday our capital will increase to $1166. So we will keep doing this until day 6, and on day 6 our daily ROI would be $117. Now on 7th day, which is Sunday, our initial deposit of $1000 would grow to $1586, and on that day we will be able to claim $126 worth of CRO tokens into our MetaMask wallet or any other wallet. So we will repeat this cycle for the next week as well, and on day 14th, the second week, we will claim 217 worth of CRO tokens into our MetaMask wallet. So as you can see guys, on day 35, just a little over a month, we will be able to claim $1095. So guys, on day 35 we will claim our initial investment in just a single day. So that is the power of these types of protocols and the power of 6:1 strategy. So guys, this is Wizardly Finance. I hope you have liked the video. If yes, then please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.